The Georgian swimming team has expressed their satisfaction with the Chengdu Universiade, hailing it as a perfect event.
I think that everything is just perfect with the organization, with the facilities, with the cleanness, with the food. If you need something, you can go and definitely somebody's going to help you. If you need something, schedule with the buses, going on a venue, coming back, everything.
It's so cheerful, happy, excited to see us, and we're like the mood changes when you see those kind of people,
when they really care. That even one person is important and is a part of this great event, and that's the most amazing thing.